Hi everyone, welcome back. A few weeks back on Instagram, I asked you guys to pick a hairstyle that you would like me to do a tutorial on. So in today's video, I will be showing you the hairstyle that you guys picked. So let's begin. To start, you're gonna start with picking up a section from the crown of the head. Try not to bring any hair from the front and then tie it into a rubber band. Don't worry if you're using a rubber band that's not your hair color because it will all be hidden. I'm gonna start on my right side. I'm just gonna pick up a section of hair. As you're bringing it towards the back, you want to make sure the hair naturally flows back. So instead of like just going like this, you want to make sure to keep the hair the way it naturally flows. It's gonna help you keep your hairstyle clean. So just bring that first section back, take a little section from the other side and then tie it off. So the reason I'm taking a little section from the other side is so that you can secure it to the other side. And once you're done tying it, you want to go back and just loosen this up a bit, because when you're tying it, it can get tighter than it was before. And then just make sure that looks good. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Pick up a section, making sure you're keeping your section nice and smooth. And then you're gonna do the same thing. So bring the section across. Try to hide this rubber band as you're taking this section over. Take a little section from this side and tie off. Once you've done that, go back to your right side. Pick up another section of hair. It can be as big as you like. I'm taking medium to large sections. You don't have to rubber band them. You can bobby pin them if you'd like. Rubber band is more secure. You can do whatever you like. I don't know if you've noticed, but when I'm rubber banding them, I'm not securing them like really close to this first one, because if you're securing it really close to this first one, this middle one right here, it's gonna pop up like this, so you don't want to do that. This is my last section. With this last strand, you want to make sure that you hide all of the rubber bands that might be sticking out. And then with this last one, just simply tighten it and then loosen this one right here to cover it up. Okay, once you're done, you can go back and adjust any pieces or smooth any hair that you want to be smoothed out. So here's the finished look. So that's how you do the half up, tied back hairstyle. This hairstyle is great for straight hair and is really simple to do. I love this hairstyle. It's such a pretty hairstyle and it's a secure hairstyle, so it's not gonna fall apart. And it's great for pretty much any occasion. Thanks for watching this video. For my next hair tutorial, I will be doing the second most picked hairstyle that you guys picked on Instagram. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye.